Hi teacher, my name is Alja Misarias and this is my homework on linear chocolate 3B. Symptoms of illness: dizziness, bad breath, bloodshot eye, migraine, sneezing, vomiting, fever, coughing, high blood pressure. Going to the doctor. Symptoms: okay, 1 teaspoon every 4 hours. Chest: I have a fever. Cough syrup: how much should I take? 4 days ago, I have a cough. Skeleton: tailbone, collarbone, spine, pelvis, rib, shoulder blade, rib cage, skeleton, bone, skull. Endocrine system: pineal gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, thyroid gland, pituitary gland. Eye: eyelash, tear, eyelid, eyebrow, pupil, cornea, eyeball, optic nerve, lens, retina, iris. Digestive system: anus, liver, large intestine, small intestine, mouth, appendix, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, rectum. Heart: left atrium, pulmonary artery, tricuspid valve, superior vena cava, aortic valve, left ventricle, pulmonary valve, inferior vena cava, right ventricle, right atrium, pulmonary vein, aorta, mitral valve. And this is enough for today. Thanks.